Welcome to your Cohesion Classroom. In this lesson, we will take a look at how to model, count, and write numbers 3 and 4. At the end of this video, you will have access to our tips and takeaways, allowing you to focus on the content being presented. You can always access any of our tips and takeaways from the lesson page before or after watching the video. To build an understanding of the numbers 3 and 4, students must represent that number with a model and connect the number name. To model a number, you can use counters, connecting cubes, or a 5-frame. A 5-frame is a tool that is used for students to visualize the numbers 0 through 5. In this example, the number 3 is shown in a 5-frame. Students are expected to point to the counters in the 5-frame while counting with their fingers by touching each of the items shown. This is called one-to-one correspondence. Let's take a look at the different ways to model the numbers 3 and 4. Count the cars and draw the counters in the 5-frame to show how many. Here is a group of cars. Let's count the cars and say the numbers aloud as we move them into the 5-frame. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 cars and 3 counters in this 5-frame. If we add one more car to the group, we will have 4. Let's move the 4th car to the 5-frame to show 4 counters in the 5-frame. Now let's take a look at how to write the numbers 3 and 4. To write the number 3, start with your pencil at the top and make a curve up and around, touching the middle line. Then make another curve at the bottom. Now let's write the number word 3. The number word 3 is spelled T-H-R-E-E. Now let's write the number 4. Starting at the top, move your pencil in a straight line halfway down and across. Pick your pencil up and start back at the top and make a straight line down to the bottom. The number word 4 is spelled F-O-U-R. Students often only practice counting objects that are the same because it is an easier visual. This is a problem because students will eventually begin counting different objects in a group. Here are different objects in a group. As I count them, I will arrange them in a row to show that there are still 4 objects here. 1, 2, 3, 4. It is common to continue to see students write numbers backwards in the beginning stages. Practice tracing the numbers and repeating the steps aloud. Students should practice at home with concrete manipulatives or small objects around the house to practice counting different quantities. Practice moving each object aside as you count to reinforce this concept. Asking questions like, "What did you show here?" and "Can you show me how to count these objects?" This gives the students the opportunity to verbally describe their thinking. To gain a complete understanding of this concept, visit the lesson set on Represent, Read, Write, and Count numbers 0 through 5. Visit the Kindergarten Language Arts lesson, Letter Sounds and Spell Simple Words Phonetically, to help the student with writing the number words. Uniting students and families in learning, we are Cohesion Education. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.